Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the application of trigonometry, how it is used in our daily life. We are using this concept in our life daily. For that, there are two types of application. One is angle of elevation, another one is angle of depression. We use this concept in finding height and distance. We are saying that the distance between the planets, like that we are distance between the towers, like that we are finding. For that we using this concept trigonometry. In this one we have some basic concept. First one is line of sight. Line of sight means the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of the observer. So here two concepts we are having. One is observer, another one is object. Object in one irukku, observer. The observer object in connect பண்ற line, that is not the observer to the object. It is from the eye of the observer. Observer eye கண்ணில் இருந்து தான் நம்ம அந்த line வரைகிறோம் to the object. The line of sight is the line drawn from the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of the observer. Eye of the observer to the point in the object. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல இருக்கிற டாப் பாட்டம். ஆப்ஜெக்ட்னா ரெண்டு தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவோம். ஒன் இஸ் டாப் பாட்டம். அப்சர்வர்னா we take it as eye viewed by the observer. ரெண்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ற லைனுக்கு பேர் தான் line of sight. Here the person is standing here. This is the observer. Here the person is standing. This one is object. So observer eye. So this is the eye we are having. So this is the top of the tree. The line connecting the eye of the observer to the top of the object. So this is known as line of sight. This is the first one. We use for angle of elevation and depression. This is main thing. So if we do like this, we will get one right angle triangle like this. Straight line and then we use this one. Here we are going to use right angle triangle, means we can use trigonometry ratio, Pythagoras theorem. So using this one we have to find the height or distance, like that. For this we use one instrument, theodolite. Theodolite means it is the diagram of this instrument is like this. It is an instrument used for measuring the angle. Instrument measuring the angle between the object and eye of the observer. ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கும் ஒரு eye of the observerக்கும் இடையில இருக்கிற angle. If we take like this means we can take this one. I take it as theta. Theta is the angle between the eye of the observer and the object. The theodolite ன்றது it consists of two graduated wheels. So here we are having two wheels. They fixed in the right angle to each other. ரெண்டுமே right angle இருக்கிற மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. So for using this concept we can find the angle between the object and the eye of the observer. So இந்த object வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு இந்த instrument. Next one, angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is that angle formed by the line sight with the horizontal line above when the point is being viewed above the horizontal level. மேல இருக்கிற ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நம்மளுடைய ஐ லெவல் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆனா ரைஸ் பண்ணோம்னா நம்மளோட ஹெட் ஐ, that is raising our head. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறப்ப நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிற இதுக்கு பேரு angle of elevation. So in your book also you underline this concept. Angle of elevation na it is the angle formed between the line of sight with the horizontal. So if another one also you are having angle of depression, there is also angle line of sight ku horizontal ku. Here the important point is being viewed above the horizontal level. மேல இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேரு angle of elevation, கீழ இருந்தா அதுக்கு பேரு angle of depression. So here they give one diagram. In this diagram, here this is the object. So this is the object you are having. This is the eye of the observer. So we need the another one point. This is eye of the observer. So if we join these 2 points means we are getting the line of sight. Point oda observer eye oda observer ஐக்கும் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கும் இடையில இருக்கிற லைனுக்கு பேரு லைன் ஆஃப் சைட். இந்த அப்சர்வோட ஐல இருந்து நேரம் அப்படி இந்த இதுக்கு இந்த லைன் வரைகிற லைனுக்கு பேரு ஹரிசாண்டல் லைன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஹரிசாண்டல் லைன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஹரிசாண்டல் லைன். This is horizontal line. ரெண்டுக்கு இடையில இருக்கிற இந்த angle. This angle is known as angle of elevation. So here we need the important things. First one object, next one point of contact, third one angle of elevation. So angle of elevation, here we are going to dealing with only the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means we can use the trigonometry ratios. Important 3 ratio தான் maximum நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது வந்து sin, cos, tan. In this one, most of the times we use only tan. Many of the sums we use only tan. Only for few sums we use sin, cos. கேட்கறதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So first one, first question. So exercise 6.2, first question. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So one object is given tower. From a point on the ground. So another object is ground. Groundல இருந்து பார்க்கிறோம். Which is 30 meter away from the. So 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Next one, it is the height 10√3 meter. So இங்க என்ன from the question we can understand that it is angle of elevation, first one. So this exercise dealing with only angle of elevation. So இதுல வர்ற எல்லா சம்முமே angle of elevation தான் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Next one dealing with depression. Last exercise dealing with both the angles. So first itself you identify. So first one angle of elevation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Second one object is given tower. Third one ground. Groundல இருந்து 30 meter. Next foot of the towerல. Toweரோட height வந்து 10√3. So now we draw the diagram. So we take one tower. So I take this is the tower. Tower land from the ground. So this is the ground. This is tower. So I write it as tower. From the tower, it is the height of the tower is 10√3 meter. So this is 10√3 meter. Height of the tower. There is a person on the ground. So this is the ground. He is observing the top of the tower. So this is the top of the tower. So here they won't give the height of the observer கொடுக்கல, கொடுத்திருந்தா மட்டும்தான் ஹைன்ற ஒரு கான்செப்ட் வேணும். Here you can draw directly. So this is the top of the tower. So this angle is 90 degree. Here they ask find the angle of elevation. So here is the observer is standing here. So by raising his hand he is see the top of the tower. So it is elevation. இப்போ கீழ இருந்து மேல பார்க்கிறதுனால I take this angle as theta. This is angle of elevation. From a point on the ground, groundல இருந்து இருக்கு, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower னா அந்த டவரோட அடிவாரம். So from the foot of the tower the distance is 30 meter. So this is 30 meter. Find toweroட height வந்து 10√3 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Now we give the name. We have to give the name in anti-clockwise direction only. So here I take this point as A. This is B. This is C. This is 90 degree. We have to find this theta. So for this theta, this 10√3 is for this theta. This 10√3 is this side. BC is the side opposite. So this is the opposite side. Opposite side. For this theta, this 30 meter is adjacent side. So I write it as adjacent side. This is adjacent side. Next one, the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Here we are going to use the basic concepts in trigonometry, not the identities. The trigonometry use it is application of trigonometry only. So we have to use this concept. Sin, cos க்கு என்ன formula படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. We are going to use this one. So now we have to write this explanation in description. So solution, let, while you giving the name, give in the anti-clockwise direction. First we take observer. So let A is the point of contact or observer or point of contact. Anyone you can write it. Observer. Next one. BC is the height of the tower. BC is the height of the tower. That's all. No need to write anything. Only two things you are getting. So by data, AB equal to 30 meter. So AB equal to 30 meter, comma BC equal to 10 root 3. 10 root 3 meter. Now we want to find, we are taking theta. So right, let theta be the angle of elevation. Be the angle of elevation. Here they ask elevation, so theta be the angle. Anyway, let theta be the angle of elevation. We want to find theta. இப்போ theta கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா what are the values they are given, you have to find from the diagram. So in this exercise, diagram is important. Using this diagram only you are going to do the sums. So for theta they give opposite side, adjacent side. The opposite side, adjacent side கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா we have to use tan theta. So we take theta is the angle of adjacent, that is angle BAC equal to theta. Angle BAC equal to theta. BAC equal to, we taking as theta. Now we have to take the triangle. In right angled triangle, ABC. எப்பவுமே right 90 degree வர்றப்ப you have to bring it, write it in the between. In right angle triangle ABC, give here and give the name as ABC, anti-clockwise direction. So write it as ACB. That means here you are having AB equal to BC, okay, that is 10 root 3. AC equal to 30 meter. Let theta be the angle CAB. Right angle triangle, write the right angle in between, ACB. We have to take tan theta. So tan theta equal to, according to the definition, we have tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan theta opposite side is, it is BC. So you can write it as BC divided by CE. That is equal to, BC value is, we are having 10 root 3. That is equal to 10 root 3 divided by 30. So now we have to cancel these numbers. So that is 10 get cancelled. We are getting, the answer is root 3 by 3. We can split it as 3 as root 3 by 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. This can be written as 1 by root 3. So now we are getting tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 implies when the theta only I want. So theta equal to, when I bring this tan to next side, I can write it as tan inverse. Tan க்கு மேல ஒரு minus sign மாதிரி minus 1 போட்டீங்கன்னா, it is read it as tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 or tan ல வந்து 1 by root 3 எப்ப கிடைக்கும்னா, that is equal to, you are getting the angle as 30 degree. So theta equal to 30 degree. So answer the angle of elevation is, the angle of elevation, we are taking theta. In the question they want to ask theta, they ask only angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So one object, we are getting two objects, we have to find whether which one, elevation or depression. Observer eye oda contact la irundhu varairadhukku penna line of sight. From that which thing we have to find it, according to that you have to use the trigonometric ratio. Second sum, in the second sum, a road is flanked on either side by continuous rows of houses of height 4 root 3 meter with no space in between them. A pedestrian is standing on the median of the road facing a row house. The angle of elevation from the pedestrian to the top of the house is 30 degree. Find the width of the road. So a road is flanked on either side by continuous rows of houses. அப்ப ரோட்டுக்கு இந்த பக்கமும் அந்த பக்கமும் கண்டினியூஸா houses இருக்கு. Houses, the height of the houses is 4 root 3. Houses of height 4 root 3 meter. With no space between them. ரெண்டு வீட்டுக்கு இடையில ஸ்பேஸ் கிடையாது. A pedestrian, pedestrian வழிபோக்கன். He is standing on the median of the road. ரோட்டோட மிடில்ல நின்னு பார்க்கறாப்ல. Facing a row house. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் அவனுக்கு வீடு தான் தெரியுது. The angle of elevation of the, so angle of elevation is given from the pedestrian to the top of the house. So now we are getting object. One pedestrian is the first object, house is one object, then pedestrian is the another object. Find the width of the road. So this thing you have to find width of the road. So these things you have to find. So a road, two sides we are having. One road is here. So I draw the diagram. This is the road. On the two sides of the road, we are having houses. So here I take it as, this is one house. This side also it is house. So both the sides we are having houses. I take one side. So this side we are having house. A pedestrian is standing on the median of the road. So here he is standing. One person is standing, observing the top of the house. So top of the house I take here. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So now you have to complete this one. The height of the house is, on both the sides it is given 4 root 3 meter. So here I write it as 4 root 3 meter. So pedestrian is standing in between these two. So I take these two heights are equal. This height and this length distance are equal. I take this one as x. Here also it is take it as x. Unknown value you can take it as x in எடுத்துக்கலாம். Height in கேட்டிருந்தா you can take it as height. Distance in கேட்டிருந்தா you can take it as y. Here I take it as x. So this is the top of the tower. So top of the house. I have to complete the diagram. So starting from here I write the name A, B, C. So ABC pedestrian, BC is the height of the house. Next D, E. This side also you are having house only. So this is the thing we have to find. You have to find the width of the road. That is DB you have to find. So I complete this one. So solution. Let A is the position of the observer or pedestrian. The position of the pedestrian. Position of the pedestrian. Position of the position of the pedestrian. Next, BC is the height of the tower. E is the position of the pedestrian at the center of the room. At the center of the room. So he is standing. That mention பண்ணிட்டோம். A is the position of the pedestrian at the center of the road. BC is the height of the house. Height of a house. They give angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Only one angle is given. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. So we have to complete everything. So diagram வச்சுனா இதல explain பண்ண முடியும். So let AB is equal to DA equal to x meters. AB equal to DA is equal to x meters எடுத்தாச்சு. Next, by data or by condition, AB BC equal to BC equal to 4 root 3 meter. Write the condition one by one. And next, angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Angle of elevation. அப்ப அந்த angle நடுவுல வர்ற மாதிரி choose பண்ணனும். BAC. Here the house it is given. We have to complete one right angle triangle. So I complete here. AC is the line of sight. இந்த observer ஓட eye ல இருந்து போற horizontal line. So to the object. So the object is here the top of the house. Now we have to find x. When you compare this one for 30 degree. For 90 degree, the side opposite 90 degree is hypotenuse. So this side is hypotenuse. கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு எழுதிக்கோங்க. அப்பனாதான் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Next one, 30 degree opposite இருக்கிற இந்த side வந்து opposite. So this is opposite side. So the remaining thing is adjacent side. So this side is adjacent side. உனக்கு differentiate பண்றதுக்காக I write it using the color. So hypotenuse தெரியும், opposite side தெரியும், adjacent side தெரியும். இப்போ எது நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? So you have to find BD or DD. To find BD. Now you have to use the triangle. So in right angled triangle ABC, write the 90 degree in between. So in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, we have to find the adjacent side. கொடுத்திருக்கிறது opposite side கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We have to find the adjacent side. So opposite side adjacent side connect பண்ற ratio வந்து tan theta. So tan theta is here theta is 30 degree. So right, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So write it as opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to opposite side is here BC. So BC divided by AB. BC value is, it is given as 4 root 3. So 4 root 3. Now you have to, now we know the angle, so substitute this one. So now finished. Now you have to write it as, now diagram only, you have to substitute the value only. Tan 33 degrees 1 by root 3. BC value is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 divided by AB we are taking as x. So cross multiplying, x is equal to 4 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Therefore, x equal to 12. Now they ask width of the road. So width of the road we have to find it. So width of the road equal to, according to our diagram, it is dB. This can be written as dA plus AB. This can be written as dA is, we are getting x equal to 12, both the sides we are having x, so this is also x, this is also x. So this can be written as 2x, that is 2 into 12, that is equal to 24 meter. So the answer, width of the road is equal to, width of the road is equal to 24 meter. That is equal to 24. So this is the second one. Third one, 80 centimeters. So here I mark it as B. This is the height of the man, 100 centimeter. We have to find the angle of, the angles of elevation. Elevation now they are giving. So first one, for the top the angle is 60 degree. So from his eye level I draw on the horizontal line. Horizontal line varanjiten. Now I have to draw the line of sight. So first angle is given 60 degree is for top. So top of the window, I mark it as 60 degrees. So I mark this angle is 60 degree. Next, bottom of the window, it is 45 degree. So I mark this angle as 45 degree. So now differentiate பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு angle சின்னது ஒரு angle பெருசா இருக்கு. And he is 5 meter away from the wall. அப்ப இதுதான் house ன்னு எடுத்தோம்னா he is standing 5 meter away from the wall. So this is 5 meter means this is also 5 meter because they are parallel. The lines are parallel only. Now we have to find the with the height of the window கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So A, B இது clockwise direction ல இருக்குது. So I mark it as anti-clockwise direction ல mark பண்ணணும். So I take it as A, B, C, D, E, this is F. Only this measurement only they are giving. This is also 180 centimeter. In this sum, this 180 centimeter is no need. We used only for drawing this line. AD, BC line வரையிறதுக்குனா we use this 100 centimeter, not including in the calculation. So I have to write everything. So let AB is the height of the man. Height of the man. Height of the man. So first object over. AB is the height of the man. Next one. EF is the height of the window. So EF is the height of the window. EF is the height of the window. Next one. BC is the distance between the BC is the distance between the man and the house. Man and the house. You have to write everything. by the given condition, we have to mark the measurement of each thing. AB equal to, that is equal to, CD is equal to 180 centimeter. Next one, AD is equal to, BC is equal to 5 meter. Right angle triangle only we have to choose, so this angle is right angle triangle. இப்போ perpendicular தான் இருக்கும், லைன்ன்றதுனால it is like that. AB equal to AD equal to BC equal to 5 meter. Next one, they giving us angle of elevation. Two angles they are giving. So I mark in first angle DAF is equal to 60 degree. Because the bigger angle DAF and DAE is equal to 45 degree. DAE is equal to 45 degree. We have to use the diagram. So we are having two angles of elevation. You have to take two right angle triangles. So I take the first triangle. Anyone you can choose it. In right angle triangle, right angle middle la dhaan varணும். ADE. Any triangle you can take it as. Or two right angle triangles, you can take anything as first. Tan one, we have to, for this 45 degree, for 90 degree, the AF is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse பத்தி எதுவுமே கேட்கல. So we have to find only opposite side, adjacent side மட்டும்தான் வேணுன்றதுனால we have to find it as only tan. So tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side, that is ED by AD. ED value we don't know, so I write it as ED. This side they are giving angle tan 45, that is 1 is equal to ED value. ED value we don't know, so write as it is ED. AD value it is 5, so write it as 5. Cross multiplying ED equal to 5 meter. The first one. Now choose for 60 degree, you have to choose another right angle triangle. In right angled triangle, in right, that is bigger right angle triangle, right angle middle on ADF. In bigger right angle triangle ADF, you have to find tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side. Opposite side means it is DF. So DF, adjacent side it is AD. DF by AD. By AD. Tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 equal to DF we don't know. So DF divided by AD. AD is 5 centimeter. So 5 meter. So I write it as this. So DF is equal to 5 root 3. Now we want to find the height of the window. So height of the window we have to find. Height of the window is equal to height of the window, that is EF. EF is equal to DF minus, we have to find the height of the window, DF minus DE. மொத்த heightல இருந்து D என்ற height subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the height of the window. DF value we know 5 root 3 minus DE 5. So take 5 outside. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3, that is 5 into root 3 value we know 1.732 minus 1. 1.732 la irundhu subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா you are getting the answer as 0.732. Decimal subtraction you know 0.732. While you multiplying, the answer is 3660 after 3 digits, that is equal to 3.66 meter. So answer, height of the window is equal to, height of the window is equal to 3.66 meter. That's all.